Well guys, we're out of water and the video for day 5 is uploading right now, so I got like an hour wait on that and I gotta get these filled. So, because this is bathing water and drinking water. I called tourist information, Fontanelli, they no capici. So I'm gonna walk 15 minutes, hopefully find a fountain, fill up, be back, and maybe the video next day 5 will be closer to being uploaded. And by the way, we're on day 7. All right, look, I'm back. There's no water fountain in this place supposedly. I found a hotel woman working at a reception. She was like, "No, there's no fontanella, no peachy." And I was like, "All right, you know, I've had enough of this town now, and we're moving out. We'll find water down the road." All right, team. Well, we got our water, and we're stopping at this town, and the name of the town is Bardolino. Benetutti a Bardolino. So there it is right there as well. Bardolino. Look at that. That's nice. That old sign. I might grab a photo of that. Go in here. Check this out. See what they got. Oh boy. Buongiorno. A che ora?
Alle 14, alle 2.
2, okay. I go eat food and maybe come back, okay? Grazie.
Ciao.
Ciao. Scusi. All right. Well, she's nice. She's a nice lady. And she's had a chocolate thing down below. That was the only thing I saw in her that I liked, though. So. Look at this courtyard. Isn't that gorgeous? Huh? Beautiful. Gonna be hearing a lot of allora. That's kind of like their version of well. Well, you know, well. Allora. Now these little boutique towns, they're all over Lake Garda. And we did one yesterday and that was really nice, but you know, I don't know what I'm saying here. I think we'll go down this thing right here. This looks nice. Wouldn't mind getting some more olive oil and some bread though too. Put some salt in that bread, or well, actually not in bread. Put it on the olive oil, and let me tell you, there's almost any kind of like oil and salt together is like heaven on earth. Okay, I don't know who the first person. Wow, look at this thing. I don't know who the first person was. Look at these lemons. I forget. They're not. There's a different type of lemon that grows big like that. I forget the name of it. Anyway, and you can smell. Yeah, I know you can't tell you can smell the floral scents of the flowers or the pollen or whatever it is. Yeah, like I can tell. I know. Oh shit! It's a dead end? Oh shit! Never mind. Oh, I think I'm going on somebody's backyard. Oops! But still, look at that. That's worth it right there. It's like it's the Watchtower Amansur for anyone who's a Lord of the Rings fan. Man, that's cool. Buongiorno.
Prego.
Comida.
Sì, prego.
Ok. Uno.
Uno, prego.
Grazie.
Prego.
We'll get sit facing out. We got a nice breeze. It's not too hot today. Like yesterday was kind of hot. Already getting stares from the locals because I'm talking to myself. They don't realize it in the camera here. So let's see what we got here. Well, there's an English antipasta. Main dishes. First dish. This guy's on the phone. See, we got the gnocchi over here. That's looking pretty good right there. Pizza, pizza. Okay, well, all right. Let's. Okay, we got the gnocchi here with the truffle. We'll see how it is. Look at this bruschetta. I've been waiting 20 years to get something like this. Literally since a Trani to have something this good again. Well, I was hoping there'd be no one here. Looks like I was wrong. This guy's got the right idea. So I had to check this out, the bucket list. We're waiting at the entrance right now. Yep, now we're moving. This castle off the list. All right. We have no cell phone service. We're not connected to the tower. We're just going to have to hump it to find a pasticceria. I guess this could be a fountain, but the kid's got his hand on it. Can't get any water out of that now. Beautiful fountain, though.